Hello viewers, you're welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time, I say a very big welcome. In as much I've decided to be coming on live video for our live on YouTube, I still reconsider because all of them are in my neck, they are my neck. So like I will come, I accept your offer. I will come. So if you want us to be doing this thing together on live video, yes, you can join us every blessed day. You can join us. Let's be learning together because I really want to empower as much as I can. So in as much all this knowledge we got, the truth is we're not taking them nowhere. We all drop them here before anything, you understand? So not be say when you go heaven you carry skincare, go heaven for where? You understand? So let's try to disperse the knowledge we know, empower people so that they can help themselves. All right, in a quick one, today we'll be looking at how we can promise this glutathione. Yes, this is glutathione comprime, the lotion, and also we'll be promising this June, these two lotion. All right, let me tell you about this lotion. This lotion is glowing lotion. All right, due to some of the presence of the ingredient they put, also it tones some people, but basically it's a glowing lotion. Don't let some people tell you it's a whitening lotion. Do you know what they call whitening? There's a difference between whitening and there's a difference between yellow and there's a difference, like you just want to tone a bit and glowing. We should get this straight. So this, it tones some people, fine. It might tone you, gradual process using it, get you to yellow, all right? But basically it's glowing. So if you want to use it to promise glowing, also it's very good. Then this one, we have three types of this one. Three of them, like one with cup, one with cover, yes, one with another shape. All right, so anyone you can get, but I prefer you get that one with that shape that has cover. All right, another shape that has cover, get that one also. All right, so now when you're promising this, now this is our base. Have this in mind, this is our base. I'm taking 2 to 3 or 4 other concentrates, serums and oils. Now we'll be using our magic derma. Having know that all this, how many percent of toning this gonna add to those previous lotion I showed to you? This one's gonna add 1%, and those two lotion they're giving us 4%, which is 8%. Those two lotion, all right, 4%. So let's enhance them to give us at least 100%. All right, I will break it down with you now. So this one's gonna give us 1%. Magic Derma, you'll be using it, all right? So don't let it tell you, oh, it's so very strong. All these are just to enhance your lotion, to make your lotion get the right formula. Apparently your lotion need to moisturize, your lotion need to tone, your lotion need to clear away some pigmentation on your skin. So each of these serums we use have their purpose, all right? So now they might write whitening this, whitening that, but have this in mind that if you really want to get whitening, concentrate on powders and oils. So all this is just to make the lotion complete its formula by every of the concentrate we put in. So now it's going to give us 1%. Now see another one that is going to give us 1%, because as I put this white lady here now, so okay, it's a whitening. Oh, I believe this is in there. Oh, my sister, it's just like a lotion. Somebody did, I mean, like a kind of a base cream and added some percentage of ingredient to it and got this. I mean, let's be straightforward. Me and you there, so all right. So now, although it's helpful, but whatever coming out from here is 1%. Because some people will not put this like 6. They will put this one 6, thinking, oh, that is what will make the lotion. Now it's just a blend, right? So you're formulating right now. So your lotion is going to tone you, let's say 4%. or 2%, and you add this one, so it give you 2% extra. So now we've gotten, like, we're using two of the lotion, so we use this one, so we've gotten automatically 10%. All right, a quick one. Now let me tell you about this Glutacy. This Glutacy, we have them different type. All right, the reason why I prefer this one is this: if you use any lightning powders with this, it will activate, it will boost it very fast. It will, if you use any lightning powder that you know that is very effective with this, it will work. It will work, unless what you got is fake. But if it's not fake, if you use any whitening powder with this, it will work, because of, go make research about it, what they use, the ingredient they use to make it. All right, so now we'll be adding one of these. Don't think because this white lady here and they wrote koji plus glutathione, what they put gluta plus koji, so that is meaning it will no, like I told you, it's just for you to get the formula. Yes, glutathione is here, kojic is here, collagen is here. So what I'm telling you is this two now you're using now, is that all you will put and you think you're white? No, they only put all these things, like as I said, to balance your formula as you're promixing. All right, to make the lotion to get what we call moisturizing, and also to tone you a bit. Now you want to white, you want to promise all of this we've said. Now you want to tone, you want to get more like 7 shade or 4 shade. Let's say we want to get 4 shade, because all what we just said now, it will give you 2 shade, 3 shade, and all depend on your skin. Some people, their skin is so terrible that when they use lotion, it doesn't work on them, and they have to cry out loud and different type of ingredients to upgrade their skin. But now let's really go deep. Everybody needs vitamin E. Your lotion has gotten everything you think you need to put. Then you add your vitamin E. We have different type of, I always use that other measurement vitamin E, that organic one. All right, because all these are promised already. So yes, they are promised. You don't know. So it's not what is it called? The organic one that I really know that is organic. That vitamin, that one is organic. Is organic vitamin E. Those measurements, take those ones. All right. So if you don't have that one, you can use this one and use 20 of it. All right, 20 pieces, and just cut them inside the lotion, and to help us for moisturizing. All right, for moisturizing, vitamin is good. Vitamin E is good for everybody. It's good for pregnant women as well. All right, so in as much your lotion is toning you, so that it can also moisturize you and fix the skin. All right, so now let's go. Now I was supposed to tell you that I will use skin free, but I don't like skin free. The reason is that these days the skin free is no longer the skin free I know way back. All right, so we'll use berry skin milk. Okay, and you can get this everywhere. All right, you can get this everywhere. Right now it's really published everywhere, it's sold everywhere now, so you can get this. But in case if you don't see it, you can always contact us for this berry skin framing. Okay, if you need it, it's very effective. In here, let me tell you what we got here. It's honestly, somebody asked me, can I be rubbing it alone? You can put it inside your lotion and use it, but whatever it does is 2% as well also, and it's gradually. Don't say, oh, as I use it, because some people, you guys are really terrible on this attitude. All right, you can just what's called, they say you said I should put this on my lotion, it will work. It work. It works gradually. All right, it works. Even skin free milk, it works gradually. Put skin free milk, put inside any of your lotion and use it. It's gradually. All right, but the thing is, this one is quite faster than skin free milk. Okay, it removes scars, blue vein, you know, even tattooing and beauty spots, like those redness also, it removed them. Now in here we got abutin, glutathione, and a glycerin, AHA, kojic, deep, and perfume. So like it's very good. Now let's talk about the Ogbonge the Baba. These people. Let me tell you something. We're going to whitening. Right now we are crossing deep inside whitening. For us that we use it. What is this? This is the number one key. We're crossing to whitening now. The number one key with your Blend Pro 9 activator. All right. Now this Blend Pro 9 activator is not to slow your cream gradually. This is no, in 1 week, because we are making, so this is about 1 liter we are promixing. So because we are promixing 1 liter, so what we need to put 3 of this, okay, because we are promixing 1 liter. By right, one of this is equal to 400 ml. Just put one of this inside 400 ml. So we are promixing 1 liter, so put 3 of this. Trust me. You want white 7 days, trust me, put 3 of this. Or if you don't want to white in 7 days, you just want to be white gradually, you can put 1 of these. You want to white gradually, like let's say 2-3 weeks, 1 month, use 1 of these. But if you want to white in 7 days, put 3 of these. Me and you know, those of us who will be using it, they know, they understand what I'm saying. So put 3 of these. So we are putting 3 of this inside our 1 liter. Now let's come with the original Ogbonge oil. Look at it. This is Malawi oil. So now for our Malawi oil, for us to get white completely and moisturized, because it's a whitening oil and also a treatment oil. In here, it's going to take care of your green veins, stretch mark. It's going to take care of all those pigmentation that you never expected. For you that is promising for people, and you know that you don't want your lotion to give any side effect, maybe the measurement was wrong and all that, right? You cannot put this. Just all you need to do, just put 1 of this. All right, this is just 70 ml. Just put 1 of this. This, it will prevent the lotion from developing stretch mark, white patches, green vein, varicose vein, spider vein, all of this, you know, spots. So, and this one, trust me, we're talking about products we can use in 7 days now. So I've just mentioned 2. Now, the reason I want to ask you to be using this fair white, because it works. I don't know if they've been doing fake now, but it works. This is the only tube we added. All right, you can make any choice of your own tube. This is the only tube we added. All right, you can make any choice of your own tube, like as I said. So this is where we have to really decide to be careful. Now, oh, what's my camera shaking for? We'll be using, this is white powder. This is our white powder. We'll be using just 1 spoon. All right, then this is our thiamidol. We'll be using ½ spoon of thiamidol. All right, so you can use any other powder as well. So all you need to do, you melt your powders with your any of the solution you use to melt your powder. Okay, then you put inside and blend properly. Then you cannot put your preservative and put your perfume. I think we're done with this. There's no much, there's no, you know, we have lotions that if you really want to get white, if you can't do all this one, you want to get white, you know that you want to get white, you see the picture I put there, you see that testimony, it's true. All right, it's true. So you can also do it yourself. If you can't do it yourself, you can also buy from us. We sell in bulk as well. We ship everywhere worldwide. All right, so we appreciate you all.